Let x1 x2 up to xk be a random sample of size k from a geometric distribution with parameter p with PMF fx p into q to the power x minus 1, where x is taking value 1 2 3 and so on, where q is nothing but 1 minus p. Then minimum of x1 x2 up to xk is distributed geometrically with what parameter? So basically this question is asking us about the distribution of minimum of k geometric distribution. In geometric distribution, we study one property that if x1 x2 up to xk follow geometric distribution with parameters p1 p2 up to pk, then the first order statistic, that is x1 minimum of x1 x2 xk, are also distributed as geometric with parameter 1 minus product of qi, where I is going from 1 to k. So what is the parameter 1 minus product of qi? This is nothing but 1 minus q1 into q2 into q3 up to qk. And what is q1? Q1 is nothing but 1 minus p1 into 1 minus p2 into 1 minus p3 up to 1 minus pk. Now we know that all random variables x2, x1, x2 up to xk are distributed geometric with parameter p. So this value of p1, p2, p3, pk will be equals to p. So we can write it as 1 minus p into 1 minus p into 1 minus p and 1 minus p. So the product is k times. So we can write it as 1 minus e to the power k. So the distribution of minimum of k geometric random variable is also distributed as geometric with parameter 1 minus p to the power k. So option B is correct.